Welcome to Sir Strategy. In this video, you learn important and big secret about your trade. After you watch, you will be more profitable because you don't enter any bad trade, and it's 100% reduce your loss. So, let's get down business. Suppose we have find good supply and demand zones. I create a video that you can how to find easily best supply and demand zone. I put the link above the video. Okay, let's back to work. For example, we have a bullish trend like I'm drawing. In this case, what's the beginner trader decide to do? Most of the times, the traders think they got the power and go for a long trade. They think we have a good demand zone and the good bullish trend, so they set a limit order in demand zone, and they think they are in best trade that they have. What happened next? 90% they fail. So, what does an expert and a professional trader do? The big secret is they don't ever predict. They create scenario. I show you how you can have your own scenario. For example, they create two scenario with their strategy like smart money or others. I made full course tutorial video about smart money. I put the link above this video. Well, let's go back for scenarios. They decide to wait till price comes into their zones, and going to lower time frame and wait for a sweep liquidity or see a change of character. The first scenario is buy, when their strategy happen. They set their limit order to buy after that. They win 90% of the time, and the beginner traders gave their money to them. Well, now come on and look for second scenario. The second scenario, it's about to sell. The pro traders after price come back from demand zone. Look for their change of character and sweep liquidity. If they didn't see that, they look for rejection of price from new supply zone or last valid supply zone. Then they look for change of character or sweep liquidity for counter trend. When they see them, they go for short. Now, they set a limit order in new supply zone to sell. And again, the 90% win for them. As you see, they don't never predict. It's the major key. Come on and let's check it on real chart for better understanding. As you see, we have a good demand zone that beginner trader and pro trader draw it on their chart. But what's the difference between them? I show you now. Beginner trade always want to predict, and they want to see a sign to enter the trade. For example, after they see a specific candle-like pin bar in the demand zone, they open a buy position with this stop loss. And they fail. Other one that have more practice go to the lower time frame and looking for a sign. After they see this big candle, they set a buy order in their order blocks. And they fail again. They start making emotional decisions and just loose for them. Now come on and check to see, what does pro trader do? The pro traders have mechanical rules and many criteria. They don't want to predict in gambling. For example, the pro trader wait for criteria that he want happen. He wait for mitigate the 4H zone and want to see sweep liquidity. After see the first signs that he want to happen, he goes for another one. He goes to lower time frame. Now he looking for change of character in 15 minutes time frame. After see the change of character, he goes to lower time frame for find the order block. He find his order block and check it in order to know how much is his stop loss. Then, he optimizes his order block. He set the limit order and price that he want, and he waits for his order to be activated. Maybe it's lost, but for every trade, he do that. In this case, the pro trader have these criteria. 50% mitigate the 4-hour zone, sweep liquidity, 15 minutes change of character in 4-hour zone, find order block, check order block in 1 minute to optimize, and then set order. Compared to beginner traders, professional traders need to see most of the events that they want to happen in order to enter. I sure every trader have see this video, his loss will be reduced. I answer all of your questions and comment. Thanks for watching. Bye.